Welcome to this week's edition of Lung and Respiratory Research Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by LucidQuest, Savara has announced that its pivotal Phase 3 results for inhaled molgramostim in autoimmune pulmonary alveolar proteinosis will be published in the New England Journal of Medicine. The study, the largest ever in this rare disease, demonstrated statistically significant improvements in lung function, quality of life, and exercise capacity over a 48-week period. The primary endpoint DLCO percent change showed a 6.9% increase, compared to placebo with a p-value of less than 0.001. Molgramostim was also well tolerated throughout the trial. In Australia, SMSbiotech has launched the first-in-human trial of nebulized small mobile stem cells in COPD. Conducted in Melbourne, the Phase 1 trial will enroll 18 patients and aims to evaluate the regenerative potential of these novel stem cells in restoring lung tissue. Preclinical data showed functional restoration within 10 days. PureTech Health has initiated a new biotech subsidiary, Celea, to advance deupirfenidone to Phase 3 for idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis. In the Phase 2b Elevate IPF trial, the therapy preserved lung function 50% better than pirfenidone. With 94% of surveyed patients open to switching therapies for better outcomes, Celea will lead commercialization efforts going forward. Sionna Therapeutics has dosed the first patients in a Phase 1 trial for cystic fibrosis using SION-451 in dual combinations with CFTR correctors. This is the first ever clinical trial targeting stabilization of the NBD1 domain. Top-line data are expected in mid-2026. Calluna Pharma has also entered Phase 2 with CAL-101 for idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis. The trial will enroll 150 patients and track forced vital capacity as its primary endpoint. CAL-101 targets the S100A4 damage-associated molecular pattern protein and is designed to deliver both anti-fibrotic and anti-inflammatory effects. Preclinical models showed both prevention and reversal of fibrosis. BioVersus has received EMA orphan drug designation for its combination of alpibector and ethionamide for multi-drug-resistant tuberculosis. The designation grants 10 years of market exclusivity in the EU. Phase 2 trials are in progress, with a study targeting meningeal TB scheduled to begin in 2026. Cereno Scientific has been granted FDA Fast Track designation for CS1 in pulmonary arterial hypertension. CS1 is an oral HDAC inhibitor with demonstrated effects on vascular remodeling. The designation will allow for rolling review and increased FDA interaction. A Phase 2b trial is being planned, following encouraging Phase 2a outcomes. Mankind Corporation has expanded its collaboration with United Therapeutics to develop a new inhaled drug using the Technosphere platform. The agreement includes a $5 million upfront payment and up to $35 million in milestone-based payments. This builds on the success of Tyvaso DPI, which is already approved for pulmonary hypertension. Lastly, 2 Australian AI startups, Diagnostics and Human Health, have secured $3 million to develop the Rhino Map platform. This diagnostic system uses nasal fluid biomarkers in conjunction with artificial intelligence to personalize treatment for asthma and COPD. By reducing the need for trial and error approaches, the technology aims to cut down healthcare costs and improve outcomes. Stay ahead in lung and respiratory health research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.